So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to analyze weekly focus reports. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to analyze weekly focus reports, all you got to do is simply review the report's core component. So if you want to analyze any weekly reports, then you can simply go and tap open your report that you want to analyze, and once you simply get hold on the weekly report that you want to analyze, you can simply focus reports effectively. You need to simply track key metrics. You need to compare your performance against established goals, identify your patterns and inefficiencies, and use all these insights to improve improvements for the following week. So you need to get over your executive summary, you need to have an overview about it, you need to track your goals and tasks and key metrics and data as well. Now you need to interpret and summarize the data and develop actionable insights. So by this way, you can analyze your weekly focus report. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.